As you can see, this is proof I was able to recover my Twitter account. And the good part is you don't need a phone number for this to work. Now watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Kindly type the email you want the recovery code to be sent to. Now type in your Twitter username. Now kindly go to your email and copy your recovery code. Select I forgot my password option so you won't be restricted again. If you noticed, we now have access to our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.